Cruiser operation.
What's your name? What do you got for us? Hello, everyone. I'm Sean, and I'm going to be doing Deckard King.
Greetings. Stand a while and listen. You have quite a treasure in that holographic cube. Can restore a holographic staff. Regrettably, I could do nothing to prevent the disaster which devastated Tristram.
Awesome.
That sounded pretty good. Greetings, my friends. Welcome to Leet Lounge Live. Stay a while and, listen. Thank you, Jennifer. I sense a great evil permeating the air.
Public Library, Denise may help you.
Hello.
Hi.
Stay a while and listen.
What is this?
Have you spoken to Jaren yet?
No.
I talked at length with Wariv as we crossed the desert from Khanduras. He has many fascinating tales of the dangers of the desert.
Really?
There is something about Farah that troubles me.
Me too.
If you haven't already, tell Atma that Rodamant is dead.
But he's not.
What a fortunate turn of events. This is a great victory indeed.
I think so, but I gotta go. Bye.
Farewell.